Ta-da! ఇది నేను థాయిలాండ్లో తీసుకున్నాను and as you can see it's a sexy bottle. This is like my most favorite perfume. As a lot of women know, it is no more available in the market. I've checked in Dubai, I've checked in Thailand, I've checked in other countries. నాకు దీనికి చాలా కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ వచ్చినాయి. ఈ కంపెనీలో నేను ఎప్పుడు పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్ తీసుకోలేదు, so I wanted to try it out. It is a must have in a girl's bag for sure. As every girl knows, the good girl. This is like so cute. It's not chala ishtam. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Travel with Prag. People who don't know me, hi, I'm Pragnya. My channel is all about lifestyle, travel, food and many more other things. In this video, we will be seeing my perfume collection. Let's go! So let's start with my mist collection here. The Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals and this is Love Spell. This is Bare Vanilla and Ingoka Perfume Undali, which is done, so I didn't get it. As you can see, I used most of these two as well, and Bare Vanilla is like very sweet, like chala sweet, which I am not using as of now. Maybe later I will use it. Adi kaakunda I have 1,000 Wishes from Bath and Body Works, Champagne Toast by Bath and Body Works, and Fresh and Clean by Pink, and Into the Night by Bath and Body Works. So basically this is the most inexpensive mist I have, which is from Engage Women. This is W2. It is for it's under, yeah, it's 225 rupees, but smells really nice. I think I bought it like 6th time maybe, so it's always gonna be in my collection because it's very inexpensive and smells really nice. Adi kaakunda, this is my summer wear Victoria's Secret mist, which is Love Spell Radiant, which smells a lot like mango. I don't know why. If anybody has it, do you still feel like it smells like mango? Comment section lo naaku cheppandi. So this is Pomegranate and Lotus, which I recently bought from Victoria's Secret, which actually smells like lotus and pomegranate. Rush by Victoria's Secret, which is a little it's a little minty, very little minty smell. So ippudu vachesi na proper perfume collection. I'll show you my recent buy, which is in Dubai Airport. Idi nenu Dubai Airport lo తీసుకున్నాను. I actually like the packaging. It's like a cute teddy bear, as you can see, and it smells citrusy. And coming to the next perfume, which is Candle. It is very pungent, and a few sprays it stays for more than like 12 hours, and it is really nice. It smells amazing, and as you can see, it's a sexy bottle. And this is one of my favorites, almost అయిపోయింది, and I guess this is my third bottle. It's 212 VIP by Carolina Herrera. It is a must have in a girl's bag for sure. And as every girl knows, the good girl by Carolina Herrera again. So this is the basic Carolina Herrera, and this is very good girl. Chinna note differences untai ante, but not a lot. But this smells a little fruity, and this is like, how do I tell you? Idi koncham juicy fruity smell ostundi, and this one is like has a tone of slight coconut and vanilla mixture. And this is my recent favorite, Vaisel Libre, if I'm not spelling it wrong. And this is a little emantaru musk or wood kind of smell. Yeah, it's more musk smell, I'll put the tones, and this is like my most favorite perfume, and I'm using this on a daily basis now, which I should stop doing. Endukante this is for only special occasions. This is really nice. It's a mixture of juicy, I don't know how to tell the smell. It's from Lancome and it is my most favorite perfume. This is from Westside and I got it as a gift on my birthday. It smells like biscuits, you get it? Like exact smell ante biscuits lane untadi. And this is Coco Chanel. I guess a lot of girls do have perfume. Even this is like a little citrusy. Yeah. So next is Zara. It smells like lemon. It literally is like fresh and smells like lemon. Next, this perfume is like Jimmy Choo. I got it from Dubai itself. I got it in a mall. I guess I got this in Dubai Outlet Mall. Outlet Mall lo తీసుకున్నాను ఇది. I never had this ఏమంటారు ఈ కంపెనీలో నేను ఎప్పుడు పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్ తీసుకోలేదు, సో I wanted to try it out. It's actually nice. It's very different from the usual perfumes I have. Wait, I'll talk to you about this. And this is Wonder Rose from Zara. I guess a lot of women do have this and నాకు దీనికి చాలా కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ వచ్చినాయి. And guys, ఈ perfume నేను వాడడం ఆపేసా ఎందుకంటే I wanted to like keep this perfume for like really special occasions. And దీని ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆపేశారు. There is another shade in this, like దీనిలో plain వస్తుంది and red వస్తుంది, but this is no more available in the market. I've checked in Dubai, I've checked in Thailand, I've checked in other countries, like మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కూడా అడిగాను, it's not available. మీకు ఎవరికైనా తెలిస్తే ప్లీజ్ కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో పెట్టండి ఆ సైట్ కానీ ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతుందో కానీ ప్లీజ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ like complimented perfume. నేను ఇది ఎప్పుడు వేసుకున్నా కూడా like people literally asked me what the perfume is or told me it smells amazing. As a lot of women know, it's Black Opium. It's also like a beautiful smell. Whenever I feel like a little boss vibes or something like that, I spray this. And this is Signature by, I forgot. I literally forgot. I forgot. So this is Signature by Montblanc, if I'm not wrong. So basically నాకు ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే నేను పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్ అన్ని జాగ్రత్తగా ఉంచుకుంటాను కానీ ద టాప్స్ ద డిప్పలు ఐ యాక్చువల్లీ లైక్ పొంగొట్టేస్తామాట. ఇట్స్ మై what do you say, a bad habit I have. My mom scolds me for it, like you keep perfumes really safe but why do you lose your yeah dipple my friend is saying over here. And this is Victoria's Secret Bombshell, which is also a gift I got. And this is the Ariana Grande perfume. I got it from US and it smells amazing. Coming back to the perfume I said, I will show you this one. So this is a gift from my boss. Dubai airport she gifted me this and it is one of the most expensive perfumes I have. This is Delina and the guy over there told me that this is a Swarovski stone, which is an actual Swarovski stone on the perfume. And yeah, now na daggara unna collection mottamloki this is the most expensive. And thank you Andy ma'am for this beautiful gift because she knows that I love perfume. She got me a beautiful gift. Thank you so much. It smells amazing. It's like, you know that royal smell. It's like you get in these royal places, it's like it smells expensive. It's like that. So this is my most favorite too. So I guess I'm done with this section. So coming back to my minis, like this is a mini I got as a gift. I don't remember from where, so I'm sorry I don't remember the name of this. అండ్ నా ఫ్రెండ్ ఒకరికి బర్బరీ పర్ఫ్యూమ్ నేను తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇది నాకు మినీ వచ్చింది. సో ఐ లవ్ మినీ పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్ బికాస్ యూ కెన్ లైక్ ఈజీలీ ట్రావెల్ విత్ ఇట్. It's like a men's perfume, the only men's this thing. No, not only. I have other perfumes of men too. But yeah, I liked this mini, so I kept it. And as I told you, Lancome the mini version నాకు వచ్చింది. And it's damn nice. Whenever I can't take this big bottle with me, I carry this chutku bottle with me. So this is very handy నాకు. నేను ఏ చిన్న బ్యాగ్ పట్టుకెళ్ళినా కూడా జస్ట్ ఇది అలా వేసుకొని పట్టుకెళ్ళిపోతాను అనమాట. అండ్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ని పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్ కొన్నాం కాబట్టి ఏదో పర్ఫ్యూమ్కి దే గేవ్ మీ యూసీబీలో సిస్టర్ ల్యాండ్. ఇవి బేసిక్గా శాంపిల్స్ నాకు ఒక 10 ఇచ్చారు. ఐ గేవ్ ఆఫ్ టు మై కజిన్స్, వీళ్ళకి వాళ్ళకి. ఐ కెప్ట్ లైక్ 2. ఈవెన్ దిస్ స్మెల్స్ రియలీ నైస్. సో యా, pretty much. No, wait, I have few more minis. So as I said, I have few more minis. Ta-da! ఇది నేను థాయిలాండ్లో తీసుకున్నాను. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ అ మినీ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ డియోర్ పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ సో క్యూట్. ఇది నాకు చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం. I don't really use these, but I just like to keep these. So as you can see, there is a mini perfume here, and there's one more here, and there's more. Whoa. Ta-da! And there's more. Whoa. So this is the mini collection I bought in Thailand airport. Dior the, which I don't use, but I like keeping it because as I told you, నాకు mini perfumes చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం. So I guess it's pretty much it, and this is my perfume collection. If I buy more, I will put it in my shorts soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So pretty much this is my perfume collection, and please do like, share and subscribe to Travel with Prag. See you next time. Bye bye.